Hello, YouTube. How are you all doing? Oh, what a fantastic day in the market. Anyways, I still see SEAC still pushing higher. What a fantastic one. Let's get to the IPO because we have IPO for the week of March the 28th of March. Wow. So I was waiting for some more symbols to be added to the list, but it looks like we're just gonna make do with these ones we have going on. Let me pull that up. Yeah, so we're gonna be going into details as regards this IPO that is on the line, is on the pipeline right now. So they are all priced in to be traded this coming this week that we got going on. So good. So now, before we get started, let's do a quick recap of our last week IPO. Let's see what went on and if it was a good trade. But some of them, I really do like some of them. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. At least we'll be able to see more details on our IPO. The first one we talked about the other day was ACVA. Well, it did open quite all right, and let's see, open right here around 29 and push all the way high to 34.52, and we have 34.99, which is about $35. Not bad, not bad. Let's look at the next one is DOCN. DOCN, this one was a failure, though it's still up overall from the highs. We kind of like our lows here was 39.02, around 39.02. Let's see there, yeah, 39.01. So it's still holding a little bit of its gain, but overall I can say this is a red IPO. All right, next one is going to be DROS. Okay, this one something happened along the road and they didn't trade it. So next one is gonna be ALHC. This one also looks like a good IPO as well. The lows of 16.32 and then we have 19.7. Next is CRCT. Okay, this also a good one too. Look at where we have the lows of 14.88 and then we got 19.75. Good one. DSEY. This one also a good one as well. The IPO. LVTX. Also, it did good. For the past 2 trading days, but today we did test 975, so it's borderline, but I still like it. OLK as well. This is also a positive. Next one is SEMR. So this one also is also positive in terms of the IPO area. I do like some of these visual. Let's look at the TV. VZIO. Wow, what a fantastic move. You can see I traded this one. This one was one of my core holdings. So this is high. I mean, just look at the chart itself. Okay, for the past 3 trading days. Okay, including today, of course. So for our visual, we have about it's just compared to where it was priced. We have offer price of 21 and closing day was 19. That was that day. So overall is positive so far on TV. The other one is HYW. Wow, interesting. Very low float, I think. Let's look at it. Yeah, low float. Look at that. It's 3.8 million shares. So it's low float. Look at how it traded. 7.36 and all the way pre-market 23.57. This I will keep on my radar because the float is so tiny, and I'm expecting a bounce in no just in the nearest future on this stock. Next one is going to be TDUP. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that, from 17.4 all the way to 31.6. Oh my goodness. Well, I like that too. So next one is gonna be ZH. Well, anyways, all the IPOs we talked about last week did really good. Okay, all the IPOs we talked about last week did amazing. There is no doubt. I love all the IPOs. So now let's get into the IPO for this week, since I got no other symbols that was proposed. All right. So next, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. It is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. However, you are welcome. Investing involves risk. Okay, so always consult with a professional and financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Next is going to be our first ticker that has been proposed to be traded on the 31st of March. Okay, as out of on the March 28th, it is expected to trade on the 31st. We have about 9.8 million shares between 17 and $19 per share. Okay, ACHL, they are clinical stage immuno-oncology biopharmaceutical company developing precision T-cell therapies to treat multiple types of solid tumors. So this will be really interesting. However, they have 731 million market cap, and revenues is coming up as 0, and also our net income is coming up as negative 33. Okay, that is what we have here. So they are losing money in this case. This is a UK company. Okay, and it's being backed by JP Morgan, Bank of America, Pipers, Oppenheimers, and so on and so forth. So this is the ticker right here. Okay, estimated volume is 175 million dollar in volume. So next one is going to be Cour. C-O-U-R. This is Cosera. I know you all know about this company. I've been using it for some training and from some learning activities in terms of, stock market, safety wise. I've been using it for so many learning. Anyways, it is a world-class learning tool for anyone, anywhere, and it has the power to transform life. Okay, now they say we believe that education is the source of human progress. Of course, because I'm doing that every single time. I use it like almost every week because I'm advancing my knowledge in this world. That's the best you can do. Knowledge sharing is important, and trying to gain knowledge is also important. Okay, now let's fast forward. We have 15.7 million shares priced between $30 and $33, per share. with an estimated $495.5 million dollars in terms of volume. Okay, it will be traded on the 31st of March. Anyways, looking at the books, okay, just what we have here is so incredible. All right, we have a situation whereby, let's do this. Okay, we have the price is between 30 and 33, and this is the ticker. They are losing money. We have $66.8 million negative. Though their very revenue is coming in as $294 million for the last 12 months with a $4 billion market cap. Woohoo! This is in California. Next, we're gonna be looking at is going to be Cairo. Okay, Cairo Limited is a car track company. The ordinary shares of Cairo subsidiary Kltr Holdings Limited under the symbol CTK on the JSE, which is the Johannesburg. Well, however, they serve 23 countries across 5 continents, supporting more than 1.3 million subscribers as of February 28th. So, this one, they have a decent revenue. Let's look at the books. They have a decent revenue. They are based in Singapore, and 125 million in revenue with a 28.8 net positive income. The ticker is gonna be KARO. Okay, so they were founded in 2001. So they are prepackaged software company. If you want to dig in further, according to Yahoo Finance, they develop fleet management software solution. Okay, so we get to our next one. Next one is gonna be Compass. Okay, Compass is a very fantastic company I heard of, and they have been backed by Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Barclays Bank, Deutsche Bank, and what have you. Those are pretty much a fantastic managers with co-writers or co-managers as Oppenheimer's, Loop Capitals, Zellman Partners, Needham, and all of the good stuff. Well, they have a 36 million in shares, priced between $23 and $26 per share, expected to be traded on April 21st. Now, when you look at the books, let's go in deeper. We have those detailed information, which is 882 million estimated volume to be traded. Now, for the book 6, we have the market cap of 9 billion and the revenue coming in as 3.7 billion, and also with a net income of negative 270 million for the last 12 months. Okay, is based in New York. They are based in New York. Okay, the next one is going to be Ulcc. Wow, what a ticker! It is a Frontier Group Holdings. I don't know why they came up with this ticker. I don't know why they didn't put it as FLCC or something, or FGH. Maybe something we have some ticker like that, but at least just give me a break. You know what I mean? Because right now I don't see any ticker as FGH. They just want to be listed in NASDAQ. That's it. They can change it to FGHI or something. Just get people going. No ticker has FGHI, and they're using ULCC. Doesn't make sense. But anyways, they have 30 million shares priced between 19 and 21. However, this company is based in Denver, Colorado. They are losing money. They have $225 million loss for the last 12 months, with $1.25 billion for the last 12 months, with a market cap of $4 billion. They will be trading on April 1st. Not April Fool. Maybe the ticker is April Fool, but I don't know. Next one is going to be INTM. What a view. Intermedia Cloud Communications. Now you see what I'm talking about. The ticker looks similar to the company itself, not like the other one. Okay, now what is this company? This company provide a leading proprietary cloud-based communication and collaboration platform purpose built for our extensive and expanding network of more than 7,000 channel partners. Woo! It sounds really enticing, right? Anyways, let's look at the financials. What they have in the financials is $21 million loss for the last 12 months, and revenue coming in at 251, and also is a 1.4 billion market cap. These are the financials. Also backed by Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, co-managers are Credit Suisse, Jefferies, Quebec Capital, and so on and so forth. Okay, now next one is going to be KLTR. So Kltr, okay, they are pricing in 23.5 million shares between $14 and $16 per share, and with an estimated volume of 352 million. Okay, so for this company, what I see here is pretty much a New York company. It's based in New York, and they have 1.8 billion dollar market cap, revenue of 120 million dollar for the last 12 months, and 58.8 million dollar loss for the last 12 months. And guess who the backers actually is? The managers: Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Dodge's Bank. Dodge this bank, man. Well, anyways, we also have Oppenheimer and JMP Securities, not not JP Morgan's, but JMP Securities. It will be traded on Thursday, which is April 1st. It's not April Fool Day, but April 1st. Okay, well, these are the tickers. We have the backers, the leaders, and the price, the low side, the high side, and when it's expected to trade. Anyways, this is very important that you look at the managers and how the IPO trade that very first day. The rules and the conditions that I take into consideration on the IPO day is 1 million shares traded the first 1 minute during the open. So that is going to be your IPO criteria for these IPOs. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright? Have you a fantastic Monday evening, and hopefully we start trading these tickers soon. I look forward to the next IPO, and have you guys a fantastic day again. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I appreciate your listening and watching this segment. Bye bye.